Ever feel stuck because you don't know what to Google next? You are not alone. I'm Paul Solt from Super Easy Apps, and I created iPhone Apps 101 to cut through the noise and to guide you step by step to a finished app. I've spent the last 14 years developing iOS apps, working at GoPro, Apple, and Microsoft, as well as teaching as an adjunct professor at RIT. I've helped thousands of people learn to code from scratch online, and now it's your turn. Let's explore 3 key benefits of iPhone Apps 101. Number 1, real-world projects. We'll build a weather app and a personal capstone so that you can learn Swift UI with hands-on practical experience. Number 2, supportive community and mentorship. No more going it alone. You'll have live office hours on a weekly basis and a private cohort, so you can ask questions and never feel stuck. And number 3, a 1-week hackathon. By the end, you'll sprint to create a polished MVP ready for test flight or even the App Store. If you're ready to launch your iOS app without all the guesswork, click on the link down below to enroll in iPhone Apps 101. Let's build something awesome together.